Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a comment on a TikTok video. If you've been wondering how to engage with content creators and share your thoughts, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the video you want to comment on. Tap on the arrow icon from the icons to the right. This will bring up the options menu for the video. Step 3. Tap on the comment icon from the icons to the right. This will take you to the comment section for the video. Step 4. Write your comment in the input bar below. Express your thoughts, share your feedback, or interact with other users. Once you've written your comment, tap on the upward-facing arrow to post it. By following these steps, you can easily add a comment on a TikTok video and join the conversation. Engaging with content creators and fellow TikTok users is a great way to connect, share your thoughts, and be a part of the TikTok community. Remember to keep your comments respectful and positive. TikTok is a platform for creativity and positivity, so let's spread good vibes and encouragement. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your TikTok experience while connecting with others through comments,